Hello everyone, today we will introduce the UV green oil curing light kit. This is green oil. And this is the curing light. This UV green oil curing light adopts 5 watts high-power dual-core UV lamp, which can quickly complete curing. This curing light is easy to adjust and has 3 light modes: strong light mode, low light mode, and flashing mode. Green oil acts as insulation and protection when soldering electronic components. We can use it to jump wires or to insulate PCB boards. It's insulating well. Next, I will show you how to use it. Let's test these 2 pins now. The multimeter makes a sound, which means that there is a closed circuit between the 2 test points, indicating that there is current passing through. Then we brush green oil on one of the pins and use the curing light to cure it. Now let's test again. The multimeter does not beep. It means that there is an open circuit between the 2 test points, which means that no more current will flow through. Indicates that it has been insulated. Okay, everyone must have learned how to use the UV green oil curing light. Thank you for your trust and support.